Cicada wide spectrum current light, a decade's worth of product, equipped with world advanced AI chip, precisely control, imported 4-point UV plus blue matrix light source, wide coverage of wavelength, stable light intensity, lower resin shrinkage, light source preposition technology, superior performance and less heat graded, medical grade aviation metal material, anti-fall and anti-aging. Comes with light meter built-in, wireless charging technology, 2000 mAh large capacity lithium battery, save time and high efficiency, ergonomic adaptive grade design. All teeth in the mouth can be irradiated. Cicada 1 second current light pro. You deserve to have